Hey guys, it's Kira, and I'll be presenting the development of perceptual sensitivity to second order 2010. What did they do? In this study, Bodunia investigated children's ability to process second-order facial relations. Children are able to recognize faces at a very early age, and by age 10, children are able to reach the same face processing ability as adults. Why does this happen? Carey and Diamond, in their study in 1977, show that this occurs due to the development of the ability to process configural information in faces. Since then, Moore et al., in their study in 2002, distinguished three different types of configural information. The first order relation, which is the relative position of features, such as eyes above the nose. Second order relations, which is the fine spatial information, such as the distance between features. And holistic information, which is the features perceived as a single gestalt. Why does this happen? Continued. Studies have shown that paradigms sensitive to holistic information observed similar effects in children and adults. This proves that these abilities to process faces holistically is present at a very early age. Researchers conclude that maturity of face recognition mechanisms are mature by age 4. Method. Who participated? In this study, 25 6 to 8-year-olds participated, 25 10 to 12-year-olds participated, and 28 18 to 29-year-olds participated. What did they do? They used two 500 by 500 pixel color photographs of two neutral women. The images were morphed so that the distance between eyes differed. This study consisted of 2 sessions, upright and upside down, and there were a total of 40 trials. A single trial consisted of a picture side by side of the same woman. Participants had to distinguish whether the eyes were spread apart. In 32 of the trials, the space between the eyes were different. In 8 of the trials, the space between the eyes were the same. Results. What did we find? Perceptual ability to process spacing between facial features increased with age. Interestingly, no matter the age, all participants perceived no difference where faces were upside down. Discussion and conclusions. The main conclusion of this study is that the processing of second-order relations is less finely tuned in young children than in adults. Despite an early ability to process these relations, the features spacing children are able to detect seems to increase gradually until they reach at least 10 years of age. Consequently, their sensitivity to second-order relations in the tasks where these relations are manipulated depends on the extent of the manipulation. Also, very early in life, children, even infants, are able to understand a representation of a face that shows broad configural information. So this is why infants are able to recognize their mother and father or guardian. This has been a presentation of the development and of perceptual sensitivity to second-order facial relations in children, a study by Bodunia et al. Of 2010 for Psych 397 Lab and Face Recognition. Thank you, and have a nice finals week.